People are complaining about birds in their apartments. And this is the roof. This is the roof work we get. Look at that hole. You know how much birds are living in there? You know how many things have crawled up in there and are living right now? Surviving and waiting till spring, having babies inside of the walls of this building. They're in the walls now because once they get in the roof, they're in the walls. You can't see it. I'm gonna come back out here in the daytime and get all these roofs because this is some fucking horrific work. So these roofs have holes in them. Okay? What kind of fucking roof work was done out here? Tell me what kind of roof work was done out here. Look at this shit. Look at this shit.
Yo, I pay for the day and I pay for the rain. I pay for the pain and I pay for the hate. I wait for my payday to make it away from the land of the lakes to the bay of the bank. No train but the plane to the place that I play. My name correlates with the famous today. I ain't trying to say that I can't get the break. Just tired of the trials and the tribulations.
Friday afternoon, I just got paid. What happens next? Time to get laid off. Middle of the day, decided to take off. Didn't like him anyway, so I choose to make off materials, tools for references. Make the example, get the messages. Dock your last pay, see how less it is. Can't feel my pain, like most fetishes.
This is just on the northeast side, folks. This is just on the northeast side. Look at this shit. I gotta be pissed off about this. Look at that hole right there.
Take time to think about your situation. Time after time we live.
Who contracted them?
The game of life.
Huh? Who contracted them? Look at this shit. I done walked around 2 buildings now.